Anytime I do the song, I think of Michael Gazowski, Frank Picars, my dear friends from Chicago. Mickey Gales, that was Michael Gazowski's real stage name. Mickey Gales, he was a great influence in my life musically, and of course, Frank and I are and still are very good and close friends. This is a Nat King Cole's tune, Nature Boy. There was a boy, a very strange, enchanted boy. They say he wandered very far over land and sea. A little shy and sad of eye, but very wise was he. And then one day, that magic day, he passed my way. And while we spoke of many things, fools and kings, this he said to me: the greatest thing you will ever learn is just to love and be loved in return. And then one day, that magic day, he passed my way. And while we spoke of many things, fools and kings, this he said to me: the greatest thing you will ever learn is just to love and be loved in return. There was a boy